Vincent Arte's How to Make Your First Million enters the heart of financial growth and prosperity with its 5th chapter, Investing for Wealth. In this comprehensive exploration, Arte demystifies the world of investments, offering readers a roadmap to navigate the complexities and unlock the potential for long-term financial success. The chapter unfolds with a fundamental premise: the transformative power of investing as a cornerstone of wealth building. Arte contends that strategic investment decisions can propel individuals beyond the limitations of earned income, creating a pathway toward financial independence and generational wealth. Arte commences the journey by elucidating the significance of adopting an investor's mindset. He advocates for a shift in perspective, encouraging readers to view investments not as expenses, but as vehicles for generating future wealth. The author sets the stage by presenting investment as a dynamic process that requires knowledge, intentionality, and a long-term vision. The narrative gains momentum as Arte introduces readers to the fundamental principles of investing. He navigates through the key asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, providing a comprehensive overview of their characteristics, risks, and potential returns. The author emphasizes the importance of diversification, urging readers to build a well-balanced investment portfolio aligned with their financial goals and risk tolerance. A pivotal theme woven throughout the chapter is the concept of risk and return. Arte guides readers through the intricate relationship between risk and potential reward, offering insights into risk management strategies and the role of risk in shaping investment decisions. He introduces the concept of the risk-return trade-off, highlighting the need for a strategic balance that aligns with individual financial objectives. The exploration deepens as Arte delves into the stock market, demystifying the complexities and offering practical insights into equity investments. He introduces readers to the nuances of stock selection, the impact of market trends, and the importance of informed decision-making. Arte advocates for a disciplined approach, steering readers away from emotional reactions to market fluctuations and towards a focus on long-term growth. The narrative expands into the realm of bonds, providing readers with a comprehensive understanding of fixed-income securities. Arte navigates through the various types of bonds, their risk profiles, and their role in creating a diversified investment portfolio. He emphasizes the strategic integration of bonds to mitigate risk and stabilize overall portfolio performance. Real estate emerges as a focal point, with Arte unraveling the potential of property investments. From residential real estate to commercial properties and real estate investment trusts, REITs, the author provides practical guidance on navigating the diverse landscape of real estate investments. Arte underscores the importance of due diligence, market research, and strategic decision-making in the realm of real estate. Alternative investments take center stage as Arte introduces readers to non-traditional avenues for diversification. From hedge funds and private equity to commodities and cryptocurrency, the author explores the potential benefits and risks associated with alternative investments. He advocates for a cautious and informed approach, emphasizing the need for thorough research and a clear understanding of each investment category. Arte leads readers through the complexities of retirement planning, discussing the significance of employer-sponsored plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and other retirement vehicles. He underscores the role of compounding returns, urging readers to start investing early and consistently to harness the full potential of time and growth. The narrative unfolds as a dynamic and interactive guide, with Arte providing practical tips for getting started in the world of investments. He introduces readers to brokerage accounts, investment platforms, and the essential tools for conducting research. Arte empowers readers to make informed decisions, demystifying the jargon and complexities associated with investment terminology. The chapter concludes with a call to action, urging readers to embrace the transformative power of investing for wealth. Arte reinforces the idea that investments are not solely for the wealthy, but are accessible to individuals at every income level. He encourages readers to start small, seek education, and embark on a journey of continuous learning and growth. Investing for wealth emerges as a pivotal chapter in How to Make Your First Million, positioning readers to transcend the limitations of traditional income and embrace the wealth-building potential of strategic investments. Vincent Arte combines insightful guidance with practical strategies, providing readers with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the intricacies of the investment landscape and embark on a transformative journey toward financial prosperity. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million, by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.